Ginugunita ngayon ng GMA Network ang ikalimang taong anibersaryo ng pagiging bahagi nito sa stock market trading ng Philippine Stock Exchange. Yan at ang iba pang mga balita sa report ni Ian Cruz.
Bilang bahagi ng selebrasyon ng ikalimang taon ng pagiging bahagi ng stock market trading, pinanguna ng mga opisyal ng GMA Network ang pagbubukas ng trading sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Kabilang sa mga dumalo, sina GMA Chairman and CEO Attorney Felipe L. Gozon, GMA President and COO Gilberto Ardvavit Jr., GMA Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer Felipe S. Yalong at mga board member ng GMA na sina Judith Vasquez, Dr. Jaime Laya, dating Chief Justice Artemio Panganiban, Joel Jimenez, Laura Westfall at Corporate Secretary Roberto Parel. Lubos ang pasalamat ni Atty. Felipe L. Gozon sa pagkilala sa tagumpay ng Kapuso Network. Kaugnay naman sa negosasyon sa kampo ni Manny Pangilinan sa alok niyang bilhin ng Kapuso Network. Wait and see pa raw ang sitwasyon ayon kay Atty. Gozon.
Issues to be resolved because if there were not, then we would have signed yesterday. If we cannot conclude anything within the year, we will not be able to conclude anything. We are ready, prepared, and willing to continue running the station we've been doing for, in my case, for the past 12 years.
Bukod sa pag-improve ng list price ng network, inaasahan naman ni Vavit na mananatiling number 1 ng GMA sa ratings.
We expect the ratings to go up further. Now, following from that, we can expect improved business performance, and from there, some manifestation in the stock prices.